I got in contact with her on shadi.com around May 2022, and
May
was the learned
22.
council submitted around September. We parted ways.
And the first marriage got divorced.
Divorced.
Your married life is peaceful right now.
Yeah.
So do not indulge in any type of.
Lordship, I was in, to be very honest, I was in contact with that girl. I was sending SMSs. I was taunting her around last
Now
August.
it's over. Don't look at the IO. Whatever you've got to submit, you submit to the court. Don't think things can happen by way of SMSs and these text messages. 25, yes.
Lordship, আপনার ডাইরেকশন অনুযায়ী প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্টকে আমি একটা কপি সার্ভ করেছিলাম প্লাস আইও আর স্টেটকে। তো আই ডু নট সি এনিবডি রিপ্রেজেন্ট দ্য প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট অ্যাজ অফ নাও। এটা 7 টাইম।
আপনাকে তো প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট কপি সার্ভিস করতে বলা হয়নি।
হ্যাঁ, আপনি 10th বলেছিলেন। তারপরে আমি একটা কমপ্লেন করেছিলাম যে আমার বাড়িতে সিভিক ভলান্টিয়ার এসেছিল। তো সেটা আমি সার্ভ করেছি টু দ্য স্টেট।
পুলিশ জানাবে ওনাকে। ডিড ইউ গিভ ইন্টিমেশন to the private respondent?
I'll tell you, Lordship, the case is a very serious case.
Now it has become serious
Also, it has been
from the all along.
Now I have come to know materials which has made it a. I'd like to, Your Lordship, and I don't want to say, Lordship, to read the letters.
Letters. Where are the letters?
My officer is there.
All right.
Because then Your Lordship would remember that if this person who has done this against him should be allowed in civilized society or not.
But Lordship, who has written these letters? That's also a question in concern.
Wait, let us see.
Sure, why not? So they showed a letter to the court without an evidence, Lordship. I am showing the civic volunteer came to my house with the CCTV footage.
May I just take 2 minutes of Your Lordship to explain the matter? The petition of Your Lordship advertised in a matrimonial site.
Yes.
On the ground that he is an unmarried person. Then the lady and he developed a sort of a relationship. When the lady comes to know that he is actually married, so that lady stops contacting, stays away. Now he starts expressing his vengeance, and he starts writing to other colleagues of the lady in her office. And Your Lordship will see, I can't tell Your Lordship the level of the letters.
But Lordship, a question. I have written those letters. Where is the evidence? But I have the evidence. They have sent a civic volunteer.
This is not signed by anybody.
That's it. So, what has happened, I'll tell you, Lordship. One of the letters he has made a blunder.
All right.
Where he has written it as the handwriting on the envelope. Now he is not giving his handwriting at all for us to have a thing question.
Lordship, on 12th of February, on the record it is mentioned this sample handwriting was taken.
Interject.
Already was taken.
I will hear you.
It is already on record.
Arpan Mukherjee. He is Rohan Roy. Who is this Arpan Mukherjee?
These are all letters written by him. This is an allegation. Lordship, see the magnitude of the letters once.
Why look into all these things? If you say it's
Lordship, it's
not worth reading, why spend time?
One of the letters has her. My Lord will kindly direct to give his handwriting.
Why not? Sure.
Because
why not?
All this will be solved. If I am incorrect, I am not here, my Lord. The state is not here to pursue an individual. Why? What is my interest in this?
Right.
If the handwriting is, the Lordship will direct him to give his handwriting to the IO.
Why not?
That will be because then everything, because we can then send you the question document, a specialized body who will do it. As far as the allegation made the other day that a civic volunteer has gone to his house and threatened, I have got specific instructions from the he has said a civic volunteer from AJC Bose Road, Botanical Garden Police Station, a civic volunteer, one by the name of Gautam Rai, has gone to his. Here is the I have the specific instruction that from the officer in charge that there is no such person by the name of Gautam Rai. Number one. Number two is I have the entire list of all the civic volunteers working over here, where from my Lord will come see that there's nobody by that name. And they have specifically said, and in any case, the question of anybody going from the Botanical Garden Police Station or any police station does not arise because it is now being investigated by the detective department of Howrah. They have nothing to do with the case anymore. So this entire allegation is totally baseless.
Lordship,
This is all these things are being cooked up now because my lord, there are appearances that things will come out of the bag. So I was praying, my lord, your lordship will kindly direct the petitioner to first give his signature down
Sure.
because the one
Before whom? Before who is going to take the investigating officer, the detective
I
department?
know.
who shall, because that will be
Send it to the handwriting expert?
and we'll send it to the question document examination bureau.
Bureau.
All
There's
right.
a body which has the specialist body in handwriting. So if he gives his handwriting,
I will do.
Lord, then every,
Can it be taken here and now?
Yes,
Is
Lordship,
there-
one prayer. Lordship, a prayer on record, please.
in front of your lordship?
No, not here. Okay, I will do that. Lordship,
Let him sign.
okay, fine. Lordship, on record. On 12th of February, in the petition itself, the sample handwriting was taken. On 12th of it's there in the annexure.
Say this.
Just allow me a moment. I did not interrupt. Lordship, first of all, on 12th of February, the handwriting was taken. It is already there in the petition, Lordship. What's the status of the report? I am ready to give the handwriting. I don't have any issue. Number one. Number two, Lordship, this is a writ court on a trial court. I have betrayed here for two information. One, 41A was not serviced and arrested as per Anish Kumar guidelines. Two, on the petition, I have annexed the Caesar list has been changed. So these are the two prayer on which I have filed the writ. If they want to take, I'm absolutely okay with that. I have no issues. But this is not trial matter, Lordship. In a trial matter, Lordship, why it is being bring to the writ court? Writ is all about fundamental fridge. 41A না দিয়ে arrest করেছে। Service copy উনি দেখাতে পারেননি, number one. Number two, আমি যদি এক্ষুনি আমি annexure দেখিয়ে দেবো, Lordship, supplementary আপনার Caesar list change করা হয়েছে। Can we please move to supplementary affidavit?
Was his signature taken earlier?
Over here, my lord, he's not deliberately signing and writing in a different manner. So your lordship will kindly keep this matter tomorrow. Let him produce any authentic old document, the appointment letter from office, which he has acknowledged. Any document which is an admitted document, which is before any authority, then can be put because with that, my lord, the
Tally, it can be tallied.
because today, my lord, if I made, I will write somewhere
Scribble in any manner.
different manner. So it may not tally. But my lord, if any authentic document is produced before your lordship, any day, my lord, and we shall take that and send it. So
Sure.
everything will become.
Did you take the signature earlier also?
That's exactly what I'd say.
No, that's fine. I can do that. I have no issues with that, Lordship. I am okay to everything, Lordship.
What do you have? Some authentic document where you
Moment I don't have, I can produce it day after
What?
tomorrow.
What will you produce? What copy do you have?
Whatever the state wants. An example, Lordship, in the appointment letters nowadays, it's all given online. If they want to have signature in front of the court, I'm okay with that.
No. Any authentic document previously where your handwriting is there? Authentic one.
My lord, if his bank account signature
Yeah, that will do. That will do.
tells us for which bank and particulars, then we'll take the copy of that.
Yeah, that will do. I say hi. I can give the details.
Give the details. They will go to the bank and they can check
Why
the
not? Sure,
signature
sure.
from there.
Why not?
Because if it is comes out, my lord,
Then fine.
so be it. If it is the water will, the case will come to an end on the bill.
And then what he is
Just a
saying
moment,
that-
Lordship. Just a
one
moment,
minute.
Lordship. Why will
He's
case will
saying
come to an
that,
end? It's a 41 and not service and arrested,
one
Lordship.
minute. Why is he saying that his Caesar list was changed or something of
Yes,
that
I'm
sort?
just.
And was he arrested without
the
giving
41
a 41A
Show the service
notice?
copy of 41A, please.
Either let this happen.
No, Lordship. Lordship, one prayer. Why the state is giving that? If a 41A service, you should have the service copy. So ask him to show
When
it.
did you get married?
I got married second time on December 2023.
23.
Yeah.
And when did this incident happen?
It was I got in contact with her on shadi.com around May 2022. And
May
what the learned
22.
council submitted around September, we parted ways.
And the first marriage got divorced?
Divorce.
When?
Around August 2022. 3 after the 23. During that period, what he submitted, that's correct. Learning council, what he said. But Lordship, issue is not that. No, Lordship, 1 minute. Is it a writ court or a trial court? 41A was not serviced and arrested. That has been declined. Why they are not getting into that? Is it the learning council allowed to do that? 41A service copy দেখাতে পারেনি, Lordship. She is
Listen.
evading that thing. Why so?
The power of the writ court is extremely wide.
Right, Lordship.
And the hands of the writ court can reach everywhere.
Yes, Lordship.
So you do not say as to how far the writ court will go. Let us see.
But the prayer has to be taken into account, Lordship.
You want relief.
Lily, Lordship,
You
41A না দিয়ে arrest করেছে supplementary. Every part, I can show it right now.
Yes. আমি দেখবো কি করেছে না করেছে. Please come.
Please. But Lordship of Prayer, can a state say the 41 and Nandi arrest
Uh,
to evade that thing?
The
Can
submission
a counter submit that?
made on behalf of
She's evading the
parties.
entire thing of 41 A. তাহলে যে কেউ যেখানে যখন অ্যারেস্ট করে নেবে
The allegation made by the petitioner about the civic volunteer visiting his residence has been denied by the learned advocate representing the state. Stop. Next. For the purpose of investigation of the subject case, the handwriting of the petitioner will be required. Stop. The petitioner is directed to pass on the bank details, including the account number and the address of the bank, from where the signature of the petitioner can be verified by the investigating officer. Stop. The state is directed to file a report with regard to the allegation made by the petitioner regarding causing arrest without serving notice under section 41 caps A CRPC, comma, the changes made in the Caesar list and the details of the civic volunteers attached to the Botanical Garden police station.
Lordship, just one more point. There are two FIRs on this. The FIR they are talking about 41 is already complied and done. And for the FIR I'm talking about the Anish Kumar 41 a violation, সেটা যেটা 243 যেটা আমি রিট পিটিশন করেছি ওটা কিন্তু দুটো আলাদা FIR। সেকেন্ড যে FIR এর কথা বলছেন
আপনি কোনটা চাইছেন বলুন?
243/23 সেটাতে 41 এ না দিয়ে অ্যারেস্ট করেছে।
কোথায় আছে কেস নাম্বারটা লেখা?
Lordship, page number 5.
Is it FIR number?
243/23 243/23 V Garden Police Station, Howrah City Police.
আচ্ছা, যেখানে বললাম 41A in connection with FIR number 243/23.
Of AGC Boss V Garden Police Station.
FIR number 243/23 dated
Dated 1st November 2023.
1st November 2023 of which police station you said?
AGC Boss V Garden Police Station,
AJC Bose B Garden Police Station,
Howrah City Police. And Lordship, one more thing.
Howrah City Police.
Lordship, prayer. I just heard that there is never written in the 41A of Anish Kumar guideline that you have to serve. In the Anish Kumar guideline on page number 13 in the Supreme Court, failure to comply by the IO with the direction of 41A to be served within 2 weeks concern liable for punishment by the contempt of court. So it is there in the Anish Kumar guidelines, categorically mentioned if not served.
So proceedings will be initiated against the police
No,
officer
that
who
is
have
fine, Lordship.
acted.
Somebody is saying there is no
against the,
Supreme Court judgment
guidelines.
is there.
Yes. ঠিক আছে, ওগুলো থাকবে। হ্যাঁ,
May I take back that letter?
yes. List on 9th of July.
May I take back that envelope?
Yes, yes.
Lordship, shall I hand over the pen drive to the state?
Which pen drive?
CCTV footage I have.
No, if they require, then hand over. You voluntarily don't give anything to them.
Because
আপনি কি অফিসে যাচ্ছেন? কাজ করছেন বাড়ি থেকে?
বাড়ি থেকে
ওয়ার্ক
কাজ
ফ্রম
করছি।
হোম
আজকে কাজ করছি, কালকে অফিস আছে।
intermittently, or is there a
Yeah, 3:2. 3 days of work from office, 2 days from home. মানে চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে ওটা।
and your married life is peaceful right now?
Yeah.
So do not indulge in any type of
Lordship, I was to be very honest, I was in contact with that girl. I was sending SMSs. I was taunting her around last
now
August.
it's over.
Last 8, 9 months, 10 months, even the IO knows we are
Don't
not in touch.
Them.
No, because she is aware of that. Again, that FIR is lodged
How
now
will she be aware?
because she is aware of
How
that.
She don't look at the IO. Whatever you've got to submit, you submit to the court.
Lordship, shall I give the details of the bank to the state right now?
Put it down in a piece of paper, a forwarding letter to the IO, and then forward.
Okay.
Don't think things can happen by way of SMSs and these text messages. Right?
No,
This is
that
the
is not the
court
way.
of law.
Shall I serve it right now, or shall I forward a letter to the IO?
You can always serve it right now, but with a forwarding letter.
Oh.
Not without the letter.
Then shall I can fill in with a speed post to the IO?
You can do it.
I will do that. I will do that.
And keep the details of the letter and the postal receipt with the
Yeah.
track report
So
that
to service.
there is evidence that the IO has received it.
Sure, I will do.